Welcome to our channel. When Google Drive won't sync or shows upload errors, these comprehensive steps will fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Google Drive needs stable connection for syncing files. Step 2. Verify Google storage space. Visit drive.google.com/settings/storage to check available space. Step 3. Restart Google Drive Sync. Right-click the Drive icon and select Quit, then Restart. Step 4. Check file size limits. Single files can't exceed 5 TB for personal accounts. Step 5. Clear Google Drive cache. Go to Settings, Manage Apps, Google Drive, Clear Cache. Step 6. Pause and resume sync. Click Drive icon, select Pause syncing. Wait, then resume. Step 7. Check for file name issues. Remove special characters that might prevent syncing. Step 8. Sign out and sign back into Google account. This refreshes authentication tokens. Step 9. Reinstall Google Drive if problems persist. Uninstall completely, then download fresh. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.